YouTube, what's the word? It's your boy Man, cause the Bob, and as you guys can see from the title below, we got a challenge. My boy Jayblends challenged me to do a Walmart haircut challenge. In his video, he did have a combination of clippers and trimmers that came as a bundle, but the Walmart I went to, they didn't have that. You know, they barely had anything on the shelf. So what I did, I picked out a pair of trimmers that held a sentimental value in my heart, you know what I'm saying? And then I picked the cheapest pair of clippers that I could find just to make something shake, because I know starting off as barbers, you on a high maintenance budget, you know what I'm saying? You're not out here trying to spend $200 on a pair of trimmers or clippers. So I'm gonna show you guys, you know, with adjusting your clippers the right way and your trimmers, you can do some decent and good haircuts, you know what I'm saying? It's not all about having this pair of trimmer, this pair of clippers. As long as you know what you're doing and the person behind the clippers can make them work, they're gonna work, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you guys that. Shout out to Jayblends for shouting me out as well. Link to his YouTube gonna be in the description. Link to his IG gonna be in the description. Y'all ain't even heard the beat yet, but the beat going crazy. I'm telling y'all that before I even put the beat on there. My producer got the hardest beats out right now. So straight out of Finland, y'all already know. Link to his IG gonna be in the description. Y'all go show him some love. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I haven't opened up the box. I haven't did any of that, so I don't really know what I can expect. With these right here, the Andis headliner 2s. When I had them, they were just the headliners. This pair of trimmers right here was given to me by my father. So I first started lining people, I didn't have a pair of TI lines or anything like that. This is what I had, you know what I'm saying? So the difference is, for me, what I see, they put some grooves on the side of this headliner 2s, and then it looks like it comes with a deep tooth blade like the GTXs. So I don't know, I'm gonna set that up like I set up all my other trimmers. If you haven't seen that video, the link to it will be in the description, and check it out. That's how I set up all my trimmers beside my Gold FXs, because that blade was already pretty much thin, you know what I mean? So next, we got the Andis Ultra Clippers. I don't really know what too much. I don't expect this to perform that well, because I did pay only $13, you know what I'm saying? It does only come with the 1 guard, the 2 guard, the 3 guard, and the 4 guard. That's it. The rest of it will be clip over comb. The rest of it will be detail work using my corners, using the hilt of the blade, you know, y'all know how it go, man. So what else? That's it. Let's get ready to roll this intro and let's get into it. So the intro already rolled. Let's get into it. Let's open it up. We might have to speed this up a little bit though. If I speed it up and you can't understand what I'm saying, don't even worry about it. But we ain't even have to speed it up. So look, this is it right here. I don't really know what to expect, you know what I'm saying? But hey, we're gonna make it shake. Let me plug it in real quick so we can get a sound test. Let me open these. This tie thing is holding the cord together. But I can tell you right now, looking at the blade ain't the best. But we're gonna make it, and it actually it comes set pretty close. But you know, like I said, I can't expect but so much coming in at $13. You know what I mean? So they quiet though. They quiet. I don't even know if y'all can hear that. Yeah, they real quiet. Oh, okay. Y'all hear that? So when we play with the lever, we make that clicking noise. Okay. Okay. I can't lie. I'm excited to do this challenge right here, man. And hey, like I said, I'm calling out 3 barbers, man. Y'all don't let me down. But before we even get ready to use these, we gotta oil them up. I just want to do a sound test. So now let's bust these trimmers open, and I'm really excited to open up these trimmers. Like I said, they were like the first pair of trimmers that I used. Got tape all on it. Come with a bag. Stills come with the bag. And what else? Man, I ain't even tripping off the rest of this stuff. We about to check out the main thing. You know what I'm saying? They put these ties on everything. Man, I don't even know. There we go. Now I must say, they do look good. They do look like, they kind of like some slim lines mixed with the Styliner 2 body. And I was wrong. It does come with the regular T-liner blade. It's not the GTX blade. I was going to say, if they come with the GTX blade, they certified. But we're gonna make this joint shape. Still gonna make it happen. You know what I'm saying? Surrey coming on there. But these ties tripping, man. I'm gonna do a sound test real quick, then I'm gonna set them up, and then we're gonna get into this haircut, man. So this is sound test on the trimmers. They actually sound the same, but hey, that's crazy though. They come kind of zero gap, but they not all the way gap. If I can get it to focus, y'all see that a little bit? Like they gap, but they ain't all the way there. They not to my liking, but they sound powerful, I ain't gonna lie. And like I said, I was using these joints. Let me be quiet real quick, look. And like I said, I was using these joints like when I first started cutting hair like a year ago, you know what I'm saying? So I got high expectations. If the headliner 2's not as good as the headliners, give me the headliners all day long. But look, y'all heard it. I'm about to set it up now. Let's get into the video, man. Yo, YouTube, I just realized after I finished setting my trimmers, I went to go try to take this blade off, man. And as you guys can see, it has an Allen key. So if you go out and buy these pair of clippers right here, just remember, make sure you have a Allen key, you know what I'm saying? So you can take the blade off and adjust it. I'm not sure if you can adjust it or not, but to just take the blade off, you need to have an Allen key, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I just wanted to get on here and tell you guys that. But let's get back into the tutorial, man. So let's jump straight into it. Instead of us going in with our cordless and this TI liners, we're going in with the headliner 2, setting that first guideline. After the first guideline is set, you want to come back with the lever all the way open and go about 1/2 inch. When doing this, you want to keep everything consistent. Every guideline should be at least 1/2 inch. It shouldn't be no higher than 1/2 inch. You don't want to take one guideline 1/2 inch and the next guideline is a 1 inch. It's not going to look right. It's not going to flow into each other like it's supposed to. Remember, like you guys seen in the last clip, I was not able to zero gap these pair of clippers to cut as close as my trimmers. Therefore, all I can do is buff the guideline out, knock the guideline out as much as I can. Then I have to follow up, as you guys can see right here, with my trimmers to get the rest of that ball guideline out. After we get that guideline all the way out, we're going to follow up with this, with the one guard all the way open, and we're going to go about 1/2 inch, as you guys can see right here. So remember, with this certain pair of clippers right here, it does not come with a 0.5 guard, does not come with a 1.5 guard. So you have to know your system, you have to know your fading techniques. Me personally, I know if I come back with the one guard all the way closed, I can smooth that line out and soften that line up, so I can come back with the lever all the way open using 2, 3, maybe 4 teeth of the blade, as you guys can see right here, to get the rest of that weight out of there, the rest of that guideline out of there, you know. But young barbers, be very cautious when doing this. If you take it too high, if you use too much of the blade, you're going to take the fade too high, you're going to stretch the fade out, you know, too much, you know what I'm saying? So just be very cautious when doing this. Right here, I had the 2 guard all the way open, and you know, I do have to be honest with you guys with this as well. The guards that come with this clipper, they aren't the best, you know what I'm saying? And right here, right under that number 2 guard all the way open, I'm coming back with the 1 guard all the way open. I know they kind of look the same, but you know, you can't expect much for $13, you know. But the reason I say that the guards aren't as good, they really don't scoop the hair. They kind of like push the hair down and lay the hair down, so you have to come back, as you guys can see right there, with the clip over comb and get the rest of the hair that the guard may not have scooped up, you know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much the fade right there, because now it's really just detail work, you know. So I'm not 100% sure if you can put the purple magnetic guards on this pair of clippers. I really don't think so, because the way the blade looks, you know. But if you can, you know, I mean, this is a good pair of clippers to start off with, you know, especially if you're not cutting that many heads a day, you know what I'm saying? So hey, you guys let me know in the comment section what you thinking so far, man. Like I said, the rest of this right here is really gonna be detail work, and right here is the levers all the way closed. I'm just getting up the wild ends off the hair. So you guys watch this. This is the same exact process. I did not get to shoot the back of the head because I'm still trying to find the right angle for the barbershop, you know, but I have ordered something I think that is gonna get the angles just right. So y'all lock in, stay focused, and I'll tap back in once we're on the next portion of the tutorial. And I wanted to cover this for the young barbers, the upcoming barbers. You know, do not get caught up in the hype, man. Don't go out here investing in $200 to $300 pair of clippers or trimmers and you're not cutting that much worth of hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, me personally, I feel like before I invest into any product, any type of clipper, anything, I make sure I'm gonna get my money back from this tool. You know what I'm saying? So don't be ashamed to start out with a pair of corded TL liners. Don't be ashamed to start out with a pair of slim lines or wall detailers. We all had to start somewhere. You know, we did not all just jump out and have the most expensive trimmers, the most expensive clippers in the game. You know, it's a building process. It's a growing process. You know, so just remember that and stay focused, stay locked in. I'll tap back in once we're on the lineup portion. So right here, I want to apologize to everybody watching this right now. The camera did die, but you guys are going to see pretty much the entire natural lineup footage. But when the camera comes back on, the line will be enhanced just to make it a tad bit sharper. You know, I want to apologize to you guys for that, man. I wanted to give y'all the entire thing, but the way my camera set up and the battery, it does not like to last for a full tutorial sometimes, you know, especially when I'm shooting more than one video a day. So, you know, it is what it is. Y'all gonna see it, you know what I'm saying? But the 3 barbers I would like to challenge to do this haircut, and please, y'all don't let me down. First, we got King Fit Cuts, my boy. Secondly, we got Polo Blends. And last but not least, we got my boy, Mike Will Blended. I'm challenging you guys to accept this Walmart Clipper Challenge, you know what I'm saying? This right here gonna take everybody that does this out of their comfort zone. You know, we're not gonna have our go-to trimmers, we're not gonna have our go-to clippers. It's gonna take us back to those garage days. It's gonna take us back to them outside days and porch days, all that, you know what I'm saying? So those are 3 barbers I'm challenging. Once again, King Fit Cuts. Second, we got Polo Blends. And lastly, my boy Mike Will Blended, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't let me down. Y'all do y'all thing. I know y'all gonna go crazy with the haircuts, man. Y'all do y'all thing. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, y'all be blessed, man. And oh yeah, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I upload a video. You don't want to miss what I got in the chamber. We got a whole lot of unreleased videos that I have not dropped yet, and they bangers, I promise you. So hit that notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, share, tell a friend, tell a friend. Y'all be blessed. Peace. Listen, I know I said I was gone that last time, but I'm back real quick. So me personally, I have no other use for these trimmers and this clipper other than this video right here. I might shoot one other Walmart clipper challenge. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm thinking about doing a giveaway of 400 subscribers with this pair of clippers and trimmers right here. You guys let me know in the comment section if that's something you guys would want me to do. If you're not already following me on Instagram, follow me at MAINECUTZ_. DM me on Instagram. Tell me you guys, you know, want me to do this giveaway as well. And that's it. So just let me know that. I'm going for it this time. Peace.